Hey y'all, so we're at the Nyla Symone beauty bar shoot. It is for our 2nd year anniversary, so stay tuned in so you can see what we got going on.
Pheasant out, Pluto. Pheasant out, Pluto.
I'm really whispering because I just woke up and I'm really sleepy, because if you don't know, I be up all night and I don't know, I just can't fall asleep on time. I only got 6 hours of sleep, which is not good. But my photo shoot starts at 5 o'clock and I'm whispering because like I said, I don't have enough energy to yell. But today is Nyla Symone Beauty Bar's 2nd year anniversary photo shoot. Last year, if you guys did not see my last year video, make sure you guys go watch it. I had a bunch of girls here and I had models, I had a makeup artist, all that. But this year, it's mainly focused on Nyla Symone Beauty Bar. It is a recap of 2020. That is the campaign name. I'm about to get up and make this shit happen. By the time you're seeing this, it is already the anniversary, so make sure you guys go shop the anniversary sale items. I'm gonna catch you guys in a few. In the car, it's 10:39. I'm letting my car heat up because that's what you gotta do. But first thing I'm gonna do, we finna look at the Starbucks line because I live right beside the Starbucks. If the line not too long, then we gonna go in there first. As you guys can see, my nails are bad, so I gotta take off this gel polish. And if I could get my nails done, I'll go get them done. But I feel like I can't because I don't have time to wait. I'm going straight to Staples because I don't have any color ink, and I know Staples prints stuff for you. So I need them to print out 2 things for me. So I'm going to have to go to Staples and do that. I need lip gloss labels, and then I need these circle labels. I don't even really know if I really need these circle labels. But yeah, I'm going to just probably still get them. I did bring my camera, but I just honestly don't feel like vlogging on it. I'm not even gonna cap you down. If you guys want to know what camera I use the Canon G7X. But I'm really trying to wait to use my camera for the shoot because I have an idea of how I want the shoot to be filmed and how I want to promote it. Because you guys always know I do a behind the scenes shoot, you know, cinematography. I try my little cinematography out. So yeah, but we finna get going. I have everything, but in my head I feel like everything's a mess. So I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but I know exactly what I'm doing because I have it written out, and when I have stuff written out, it's so much easier for me to go by. But I don't write down everything in my head, so I didn't write down what my to-do list say. So yeah. Hey y'all, so I decided to vlog on my my English teacher canceled the WebEx. Stop playing. Okay, babe, he canceled that WebEx. I was finna hop on my WebEx, which is basically my Zoom call for school, but he canceled it. Happy Friday, guys. So I decided to pull out the camera because I wanted to you know, listen to music and vlog for you guys. So that's why the camera's pulled out. I'm at Starbucksies. Okay, you guys can't see. Can you guys see? I'm at Starbucks. So it's this matcha drink, and if you guys know, I love matcha. So it's this drink right here. It's called the matcha ice cream. And I saw what's his name, Keith Lee, if you guys watch him on TikTok, him, his wife, and his daughter, he had bought this for their asking him to be their Valentine's Day. And if you guys don't know, I love him. He's a really sweet guy, so make sure you guys go watch him on TikTok so you get some money. But yeah, he had said that he got his wife this thing, and his wife said it was really good, so I had to definitely try it. And we're gonna see what it tastes like. And then I'm gonna also get this sausage bacon wrap because I just saw it down there like on this little thing that they have, and it looked pretty good. So yeah. Oh, what can I get you? Can I get the bacon egg sausage wrap? Y'all don't look at my earring as a nose ring. And then can I get a tall iced matcha latte with sweet cream, cold foam, and in the cold foam, can you blend it with cookie crumble?
It's gonna be 11 after you at the window.
Alright, have a nice day.
You too.
Okay. 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 Okay, girl, it's not gonna work out. And your ass not gonna let me scoot back. Idiot. Please don't look at my nails because I have filmed a YouTube video, a YouTube video pitch at that yesterday, and my nails look messed up. Like, I don't know what I thought I was doing, but that wasn't smart. Like, that wasn't smart at all. But I might refilm it, obviously. It's raining outside. Listen to this and start my trace off.
Always sunshine. Tell me what you wish to rain. Love and happiness live next to pain. Hey, I saw you the other day. Yeah. You know we can make it through the rain.
Y'all remember this song? Young Money Kid.
Yeah, you know that I'm here today.
I'm sorry, nigga mad cause I came to the party. What you say? Wait, no,
I'm fucking you, girl.
we're gonna turn that music off because I forgot I don't have tinted windows and people can see me. Thank you. Yes, please. Have a nice day. This is what it looks like. I got a straw. I know, save the turtles, but I didn't know where his hands been, so. I don't know if they really added cookie crumble, but it literally tastes like ice cream. This is why I can't live in a gated community. It just be taking forever for me to get in my house. And then the folks that live in my neighborhood, they be mad when people like don't use the gate code. Like, girl, I live here. I'm not worried about none of that. You ain't paying them bills. Erica and Eric is. I ain't worried about none of that. I'm coming home because I have to send them, like, email them these labels and stuff like that. So I'm coming home for that. It's 11:15, so I'm kind of doing good on time, but I haven't really got anything done. So yeah, but I have to email these labels. I'm gonna go there, they're gonna print the labels. I'm gonna go to Target, and then I'm gonna come back and pick the labels up. So yeah, let me tell y'all the tea on how we won't be getting any labels today, and how we're just going to not do no labels because I don't know, but I usually always go to the Staples, get my labels. I have no issues, like just usually just send it to them, no issues. But today there's issues, and I don't feel like coming back and forth to the Staples, because if you're not prepared, they're not prepared, and that usually affects them in their time management. So it usually makes them take a long time, and I don't have time. Okay, it's just kicking me out, but I don't have time for a long time because, as you guys know, I'm on a time crunch, and I literally didn't get nothing done because of that. And yeah, y'all, so I'm not going to get any labels today. And then I was thinking to myself, like, what exactly do I need the labels for? So yeah, I was just gonna be spending money when really should just be saving money. So if I don't need the labels and I can't find a reason on why I need the labels, and I've been asking myself that question all morning, then I'm not getting the labels. So now I'm gonna head to Target. I'm heading to Target to get press-ons because I know that the beauty supply store is not gonna have cute press-ons like I want them to, and Walmart's probably not gonna have cute press-ons like I want them to. I just really want black press-ons or like French tips, some $7 French tips, that's fine. Alright, hey y'all, so I'm in Target. This one, y'all see how it has like the tips at the top, but then this one doesn't have tips at the top. I'm confused. So I feel like I'm gonna go with these. Alright y'all, so I got the Target things. I got an eyelash curler because I hate when like my eyelashes are flat. I got some makeup wipes because I need some wipes. Got some nails. So these are kind of like really like cute. They're like really plain Jane, and I don't know, but I like small, like short plain Jane nails. Okay, so I'm gonna start getting ready by at 2:30, and then this man is staring at me. I don't care. I'm gonna start getting ready at 2:30, and then I'm going to head there like 3:30, like head there like 4, and then I should be there at least by like 4:45. And yeah, it's raining today, so I don't know if it's going to be a lot of traffic. It tends to be. We finna get this show on the road. I'm finna jam to some music, and I'm finna talk to y'all later. Make sure you guys go watch my YouTube video. Make sure you guys go watch my last year's Nyla Symone beauty bar get ready with me for photo shoot, because that was like the first year, and I was really happy about it, and I was really excited about it. So yeah, I'm with that Draco, walking in places we can't go. I hear this shit rapping, I'm Lester. They call me daddy, no pressure. Now he dead, so I keep him buzzing in the head. I ain't taking back what I said. Okay, y'all, so I'm back, and I got my sweatshirt from Maya. If y'all don't shop, I think it's Shop Maya. I don't know, I'm gonna put it right here. I have another sweatshirt from her, which is my Pretty and Paid sweatshirt, but I got a customized sweatshirt, and I wanted to show you guys. This is what it looks like. Nyla Symone beauty bar, and it says CEO on the back, and then it has NST, which is my initials, on the side, but it says Nyla Symone beauty bar. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this in a photo shoot. I think it's gonna be really cute. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it cropped like this, because my pants are high-waisted, and then give a look. But I definitely do want to wear this in a photo shoot. This was part of my photo shoot, and then my Nyla Symone beauty bar shirt was part of my photo shoot as well. So it is 2:33, like 2:30ish, so I'm gonna get ready at 3 o'clock. I'm gonna be ready by at least 3:30 because I move kind of fast, and then I should be leaving the house by 4. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my new sweatshirt that I'll be wearing, a walking billboard, as you guys can see. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later, probably when I'm at the shoot. Okay guys, this is half of what the stuff that I gotta bring in here, but we're gonna get in here. I gotta get more stuff out of my car. I see my car right there. I gotta get more stuff out of my car. Hannah's at Walgreens getting me some red lipstick, and yeah. Oh my god, yeah. Oh yeah, this is it. This is nice. Don't look at me. Hey guys, so we are, okay, you look at it. I got one. I got more. Pass another. Okay, hold on. Changing for the last situation.